Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to introduce a new chapter. Chapter number 1, Examine Yourself in Life Skill. In this chapter, there were two men who were discussing their problems. One man was a noble man. He was fallen into a bad habits and he went to a hermit. Hermit means who live alone. That person is a hermit. And he was discussing his problems, his bad habits, and he told him whatever he done a mistake, whatever he done a bad in his life, he told all thing to the hermit. And he want a solution and he want to come out with his bad habits. So what hermit introduced, how hermit helped that noble person, noble man, we will discuss in this story. I just want to tell you about this story. This story is about to know your bad habits, to know yourself. Daily you have to question yourself whatever you had done today. That is good for you or that is bad for you. Either you had did mistake or either you had not did any mistake. You should ask yourself daily. Then you will realize whatever you had done whole day, that is good for you or not. If you had done any mistake, your conscience, your intuitions, your conscience, your willpower will always tell you whatever you had done right, whatever things are for you right, or whatever things are for you bad. So we will discuss in this chapter. So start the chapter. Let's start the chapter. Once a noble man who had fallen into bad habits visited a hermit. You know that noble man? Noble man means royal man who had everything, who had fallen into bad habits. He got some bad habits. One day he visited a hermit. What is hermit? Hermit is a place where a person live alone. The society had made him to live alone, so that is a place of hermit. Hermit means a person is living alone. He don't want any social networks, so he was living alone. So that place is known as hermit, a place where one person is living. Okay, so a noble man who had fallen into bad habits visited a hermit. He told him all about his faults and asked him how he could get rid of them. A noble man told to the man who was living alone, he told his all the faults, he told his all the bad habits who he had done, whatever he had done, and asked him how he could get rid of them. He wanted to come out with his bad habits. That's why he was telling all his faults to that person. He wanted help. The hermit listened to him very patiently, and the hermit listened him very patiently and asked he took the visitor to the garden. Then he took that nobleman to the garden, and in the garden there was many trees in all the sizes, a small, big, huge tree. So there were many trees. The hermit went to a small tree. First, the hermit went to a small tree, which was very small, and without any effort pulled it out. Now the hermit pulled the tree out from the ground. Then he went to a large tree, and with more effort and the use of both the hands, he finally succeeded in pulling it. Then he went to the second tree that was large in size, and with both the hands he pulled it off. He then came to the rather huge tree. Now finally he came to the huge tree, and no matter how much he tried, he could not uproot it at all. But you know that a huge tree have long and strong roots. That's why he tried much, but he cannot able to pull it off. Then he turned to the nobleman and said, then he turned to a nobleman who royal man who came to visit the hermit. He turned to the nobleman and said that if you check your bad habits in time, if you have a bad habits and you realized on time to remove your bad habits, to improve your habits, then it is easy to uproot them. Then it is very easy to come out with your bad habits. But if you delay means late. If you delay your habits, it becomes difficult. It becomes very difficult to come out with your bad habits. If you wait too long, if you will wait too long to come out with your habits, it becomes practically impossible to correct your bad habits. So the man give hermit man give very good example to pull it off. If you will uh, take care of your bad habits on time, means when you will get a bad habits, then you will be addicted less. Means if you have a bad habits and you realize on time, it means you have a little bit addiction of that bad habit. But if you will delay more, then it will become large, means your bad habits become your addiction. So it will be very difficult to come out with your bad habits. But if you will wait too long, if you will delay to correct your bad habits, then it will be addiction to you, and it is impossible to come out with this bad habits. So he gave a very good example to that royal man, noble man, to come out with his bad habits. Next class, we will discuss more on this chapter. Thank you, class.